Trading is easy. You know, I'm here to tell you that trading is easy. Everyone usually says trading is hard, or the whole thing about how trading is the easiest way to make, no, trading is the hardest way to make the easiest money, this and that. But you know what? I'm going to be the guy that's going to be here to tell you that this shit is actually pretty fucking easy, okay? When I break this down, you'll realize just how easy it is, okay? And also, I want to also say, fuck that, oh, it's simple. Look at this propane chuck. That shit was close, bro. That shit was close. Whoa. Anyways, what I was saying was, fuck that, oh, it's simple, but it's not easy shit. Fuck that, bro. Like the fuck. At the end of the day, you get what you expect, okay? So, whatever you expect, not saying that it's gonna happen like this 100% of the fucking time, bro. But most of the time, you get what you expect, okay? Whether you realize it or not. So if you're going into this trading gig thinking, oh, this shit's about to be hard, oh, it's gonna take me years, oh man, well, that's exactly what's gonna happen. I mean, think about it. Truly sit there and think, why is it that it takes one guy a couple years to get profitable, while there's some other guy who ends up getting profitable in a month and is already making 100 bands a month in a single year, bro? Think about it. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. It is not supposed to make fucking sense, bro. None of this shit's supposed to make like real sense, bro. You just put your mind to that shit, bro. But yeah, trading is actually pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and break this shit down into numbers, bro. So on average, we have about 20 trading days in a month. Unless you're one of them people who are just like, nah, man, I don't trade on high impact news days. Okay, suit yourself, my boy. You can trade on high impact news days and be just fine. Just wait till after news. Or if you're one of those risky ass niggas, you can just trade during news. Trade CPI that shit, full port that shit, whatever you want to do, bruh. That shit works. It works. But anyways, you have 20 trading days in a month, right? On average, a good thing to aim for would be anywhere between 1% to 3% per week, okay? Assuming you're risking 1% per trade. And assuming you're trading prop firms, because everybody and their mom is trading prop firms these days. I mean, who the hell is really trading a live account unless you have a ton of money already, bruh? No one's trading live unless you already have a shit ton of money. And honestly, why the hell would you even trade a live account when you're starting out, when you could just get so much leverage off of a prop firm account? You can literally get a fucking 50K futures account for what? $70, bro. You can get 10K accounts from regular prop firms, CFD, Forex prop firms for like less than $50. A $10,000 worth of buying power for what? $50? Why the hell would you throw your $50 in a live account? That doesn't make any sense. But there's that. And all of this shit, it just contributes to the fact that trading is fucking easy. You have so much leverage, bro. You have an insane amount of fucking leverage. What other thing exists that you can just put a little bit of money into and have some control over? Because this is not no meme coin shit or crypto shit where some of y'all niggas just be putting in the tiniest amount of money and becoming millionaires. Nah, that shit is, I wouldn't mess with that. When it comes to trading, you don't even need that much money to really start building up your shit, bro. And then from there, you have more control. You get to choose whether or not you enter a trade. Your system is profitable based on the way that you do your system, and you just stick with it. One trade a day, or like I was saying, 1% to 3% per week. Because on 1% to 3% per week, maybe you find that your system just works very well during the beginning of the week, so you just end up getting that 1% to 3% within the first 2 days of the week. Okay, cool. Stop trading. Good. Stop trading. Or if you just want to be that guy who stresses about trading all the time, you could just trade every day and then let the averages do their stuff from there. Whatever you want to do. But I mean, 1% to 3% per week, that's anywhere between 4 to 12% per month. Okay, you can pass the prop firm phase, or maybe you want to go the regular traditional 2-phase route. You can pass phase 1 in a month. You stick with things. Before you know it, you're funded. You're making money, and on average, let's just say Takes you 3 to 4 months to start getting some actual withdrawals from that account, whichever prop firm account you chose, okay? And then from there, you just repeat the same thing. That's all you do. You just do the same shit over and over again. So you can't look at me and tell me that trading is fucking hard when you have more than enough trading days in a single month to actually get around 5%, bro. Even if you were funded, say you passed your account, you can even high leverage that shit, bro. Say you have enough money. Say you work a job or you have a business or you just have some money behind you. You could go so many different routes with this shit. You could full port your prop firm accounts and then you could just chill on your funded account. You could be like, okay, well, I just got funded $300,000, okay? $300,000, where do you get funded $300,000? At one of the more traditional prop firms. I just gotta say this, bro. Futures is not the only fucking prop firms that exist. I know people are like, oh, futures is so great because no spreads. They're more reliable. Oh my God. Bro. From what I've seen, if you really want to make some serious fucking dough and not have to worry about trailing fucking drawdown, because all of these futures prop firms, they have trailing drawdown, bro. I'm not sure if you guys, if in case you don't know what trailing drawdown is, it means that however much money you make, your drawdown goes up compared to most regular prop firms where your drawdown is static. So no matter how much money you make, your drawdown stays the same. So if you have a 100K account and you make $5,000 and you have 10% max drawdown, your max drawdown will always be $190,000. But if you're on a futures account, right, and you have some sort of 150K account and you have trailing drawdown, the second you get up, there's, just to keep it simple, apparently trailing drawdown stops on most futures accounts once they're $100 up from the initial balance. So you have to get to like, what, 155,000? And then instead of your drawdown being set at about, what would that be? $195,500, your drawdown moves up. It moves up. I'm fucking spitting, bro. Because it's serious shit we're talking about right now. Serious shit we're talking about, man. Maybe that's why I'm spitting. Spitting everywhere. Get my point across. Get the point across. That trading's easy. Type shit. Yeah, y'all get the point. You know, I could ramble on and give example after example and after example, but some of y'all still won't believe it. So why don't you just break your belief and go prove it to yourself that trading is actually fucking easy. In my experience, I go onto the charts, max an hour in the evening, maybe a little bit longer during the morning. It all depends. I could get away with doing it either just in the morning or just in the evening. I wait for my entry. Okay, I wait for my entry, enter my trade, get out at a 1-to-1, and that's about it. And if I lose, I just don't trade again until the next session. And the system is like, it depends, but I'd say on average it's about 80% win rate. So, I mean, if you let math do the math, 2 + 2 will always equal 4, right? So if I stick to my system and I'm winning 80% of the time, doesn't that mean that I'm guaranteed to be profitable? Yeah.